Well, hello. I thought I'd bring you out here to show you the security that these camper shell locks usually come with. As you can see, this is locked. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this tension wrench out of the Nightcrawler kit and a Nightcrawler short hook. And we're going to go in here, and there we are, ladies and gentlemen. Right like that. That quick, that easy. Now, let's see about getting her back. Well, I got to get in there first. Oops, there we are. And there we go. Lock back up solid. So if you, I started looking for these things to see if I could find a better locking system, and so far I haven't. I'm going to do the same thing again. Let's use the city, and let me get it stuck in there. Yeah. Say, just the same thing. I think if you got a hairpin or something, you'd get her done, no problem. So yeah, that's what I had for you, a little real quick deal on these little camper shell locks. Man, I'd love to be able to replace that thing. But I've been looking online and I don't see anything that is any better so far for the keyway, for locking system. So I guess I'm stuck with it for now. So thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.